is Mino from Minobi Designs. This is one of my other videos for the theme Valentine's Day, and for today's video also I'll be doing a card that is an A6 type card. So that is basically an A5 folded into two, and I'm using a watercolor paper for this, and I'm using my watercolor palette with my brush, a fine liner, a pencil and an eraser. Let's see how it turns out, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to comment below what you think of this video as well. I really appreciate all your support so far. Thank you so much. I will see you at the end of the video. Right, so to begin, I'm mixing the colors that I feel would go with it. I'm not sticking to the traditional colors. I'm going with a green palette for this one. What I realized is that the first color that I mixed is a bit too dark, so I'm going to stick to the lighter shades of green, and then I'm mixing and matching as I go, but I'm using the base color as the green, sort of lime green color, but I'm also adding yellow and other shades of green, because I wanted to have a very light pastel shade sort of palette for this one. And I'm filling up the entire front page with all the shades of green. And then this is a closer look at it, and if you can see, it's a bit shiny, and there's a little bit of gloss around this area, which means that the paper is still wet. You need to make sure that the paper is completely dry before you go in with your pen. And once the paper is completely dry, then I'm moving on to my next step, which is drawing the grid for the mandala. I actually decided to do a silhouette of a heart, and then do the mandala around it. And if you watch my complete tutorial on how to draw a grid for a mandala, which I'll link down below, you'll be able to see how I'm doing this in a step-by-step process. I'm also then proceeding on to do the mandala for the card, and then again, if you check out my whole playlist on how to draw mandalas for absolute beginners, you'll be able to pick up a few tips and tricks on how to draw a mandala, so don't forget to check it out as well once you're done with watching this video. I'll leave all the links to these videos down in the description box below. Don't forget to check them out. And yeah, so once I have the silhouette and everything in place, I am then just drawing some random shapes and patterns to fill up my mandala and fill up my complete grid. And this is what you'll be seeing for the next couple of minutes. And actually, for the silhouette of the heart, I've used a sticky note. I've cut it in the shape of a heart and then pasted it on the paper to bring out that silhouette. And yeah, I think it worked well for me to draw this. It's just one way that I used, but you're completely free to use any method that you wish. You can even use tape or masking fluid or something like that if you want to keep a shape specifically, but this is what I had at hand, so this is what I used. Yeah, and I'm just continuing to fill up the mandala with some random shapes and patterns that I usually use. If you have any questions for me, don't forget to leave it down in the comment section below, and I will get back to you. Also, before you go any further, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and I'll be really happy if you did. So we are almost done with the mandala, and now comes the most satisfying part of the whole process, which is peeling off the sticky note and revealing the silhouette. It looks really clean and neat, and once I've done that, I'm erasing off all the pencil marks. Yeah, and this is the final outcome of it, and I think it's pretty clean and crisp, and I really like how it looks. You can even go in and put some wording in the middle if you wish. I didn't have anything specific to put, which is why I didn't. So yeah, don't forget to try this out, and as I always say, if you do try it out, don't forget to share it with me. I'd love to see your work as well. And that's about it. I want to thank you so much for watching. I will see you again in my next video, and yeah, I'll see you soon.